Arnold, did you check if your person's calling in already?
I called her and I gave her the phone number and into the meeting ID number. So
Okay. You're ready.
This call is number 2015-35124 in the interest of Kaylin Page. Please raise your right hand to be sworn, parties. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Paula Lenez, and I'm her mother.
And for the state.
Sharday Parker, Your Honor.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent is Jamarcus Jerome Page. Mr. Page was served on October 16th, 2020 at 8:13 a.m. at 264 FM 3478 Road, Estelle Unit in Huntsville, Walker County, Texas. And he's not filed an answer or period, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And this is a straight no answer default?
Your Honor, no, there's also, he was given certified mail notice.
I don't have that.
It was emailed to Maria.
Certified mail notice. This is page 2015-35124. It appears that Maria hasn't gotten it. You want to email that to her again?
Yes, I will forward it to her again.
So let's proceed while we're waiting for that to be forwarded to Maria.
Okay. Your Honor, the state calls Paula Lenez.
Okay.
Miss Lennis, isn't it true that Mr. Page is currently incarcerated?
Correct.
And isn't it true that he's not expected to be released within the next 90 days?
Correct.
Isn't it true that his expected release date is is May 15th, 2021?
Correct.
Isn't it true that he currently pays no child support, correct?
Correct.
And your last order, he was ordered to pay zero child support, correct?
Correct.
But he was ordered to pay medical support in that last order, correct?
Correct.
And the amount of the medical support was to be $113 per month, correct?
Correct.
And today we're asking this court to confirm the medical support arrears in the amount of $5,389.65 as of December 31st, 2020, correct?
Correct.
And we're also asking that no payback amount be set at this time because he's currently incarcerated, correct?
Correct.
And you believe this is in the best interest of your child, correct?
Correct.
Your Honor, and you're asking this court to grant this modification, correct?
Correct.
Your Honor, I have no further questions for this witness.
All right. Have you gotten a copy of that?
Your Honor, would you like for me to share my screen and I can show it to you on my screen if she hasn't received it yet?
Oh, I've got it here now. Court will note that the father was given further notice of this Zoom hearing by certified mail return receipt requested, which was delivered December 22nd, 2020. The court will approve the default order in the suit for modification of support order and to confirm support arrearage as submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Lennis, you're free to go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Your Honor, the next case is.
All right, this is called number 2014-68163 in the interest of Shelton Harden. Please, all parties, raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Arnold, that's
All
you.
right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
I'm Krishan Haynes, and I'm his mother.
Okay, and for the state?
Sharday Parker, Your Honor. And I also have Arnaldo Barrera as a witness, Your Honor.
All right. Court will note that the non-custodial parent is Shelby Harden Jr. Mr. Harden was served at 1520 Lakefront Circle, The Woodlands, Montgomery County, Texas on November 17th, 2020. And he's not filed an answer, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor, he's not filed an answer.
Any further notice?
He did appear today, Your Honor, but he left before his case was called.
Yeah. All right, we'll proceed by default then.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, the state would like to call Arnaldo Barrera.
Okay.
Can you please state your name for the record?
Arnaldo Barrera
Where are you employed?
at the Office of the Attorney General.
And what is your position there?
I am a child support officer.
And what is the nature and your responsibilities and duties as a child support officer?
I conduct investigations on calculating child support and retroactive child support.
And have you received any special training to train you how to calculate child support in compliance with the Texas Family Code?
Yes, I have.
And did you calculate child support in this matter?
Yes, I did.
And what are your calculations?
The calculated monthly gross for Mr. Harden is $6,216.33.
And what was the child support amount that you came to off that gross?
After giving him credit for medical support and taxes, child support is $774.
You gave him credit for the medical support and him having another child, correct?
Yes, the calculation was based on 17% giving him credit for another child.
And the final child support amount was $774, correct?
That is correct.
Your Honor, I have no further questions for this witness.
All right. Ms. Hayes, do you have any questions for Mr. Barrera?
No, sir.
All right. Call your next witness.
Your Honor, the state would like to call Krishan Hayes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Hayes, can you state your name and your relationship to the child, please?
My name is Krishan Hayes, and I'm Shelton Harden's mother.
And you're here today asking for a modification in child support, correct?
Yes,
And Mr. Harden is currently ordered to pay $287 a month in child support, correct?
yes,
And you're requesting a modification based on his income up to $774 per month, correct?
yes,
And Mr. Harden is carrying Shelton on his health insurance, correct?
yes,
And you're not requesting a modification as to the health insurance, correct?
that's correct.
And you're also requesting that Mr. Harden be responsible for court costs, correct?
Correct.
And you believe that this modification in the child support amount will be in the best interest of your child, correct?
That is correct.
Your Honor, I have no further questions for this witness.
All right. The court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you. Ms. Hayes, you're free to go. You can go ahead and hang up. And Your Honor, I'm going to let in the next person, who I believe is Ms. Roberts. Ms. Roberts, can you unmute yourself by pressing *6?
Okay, hello.
Okay. This is Ms. Roberts, Your Honor. And
Okay,
that
this is called number 2018-68130 in the interest of Carter J. Roberts Johnson. Please raise your right hand to be sworn. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
My name is Brittany Roberts, and I'm Carter Roberts' mother.
And for the state,
Sade Parker, Your Honor.
court will note that the non-custodial parent is Willis Anthony Taylor Johnson III. Mr. Johnson was served on October 15, 2020 at 12:17 p.m. at 1200 FM 655 Road, TDCJ, Stringfellow Unit in Rose Sharon, Harris County, Texas. He has not filed an answer. Is that correct, Ms. Parker?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
And he is not. And this is a straight no
Yes, Your
answer
Honor.
default.
Yes, Yes, Your
All
Honor.
right. All right, let's proceed.
Miss Roberts, Mr. Taylor Williams, he's currently incarcerated, correct?
Correct.
And he will be incarcerated up until September 2024, correct?
Oh, I don't know, but yes, I'm assuming so.
And we're also confirming a child support arrear. We're requesting the court take a judgment of a child support arrearage of $18,014.04, correct?
Correct.
And we're also requesting that the court take a medical support judgment in the amount of $484.10, correct?
Correct.
I'm requesting that all of this be paid back at $0 a month starting February 1st, 2021, because Mr. Taylor Johnson is currently incarcerated and he will be for at least the next 90 days, correct?
Correct.
And your child is covered by health insurance on your health insurance, correct?
Correct.
And you're continuing to carry him on your health insurance, correct?
Yes.
And we're also requesting that Mr. Taylor Johnson be responsible for all court costs, correct?
Correct.
Your Honor, I have no further questions for this witness.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Roberts. You're free to go.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Maria, I'm just gonna find out